Mukuru w'ebyobwegyesa bwa district ya Kabale Moses Bwenje tumwijuke yagira ngu government kuyayongize emishara y'abashomesa na mnonga ba science bamwe bayongera okunywa Amaarwa ahabwo kugira ngu esente zikakanya nabatandika okwezi barukunywa mpaka batandikira okundi yayongera yagira ngu eki kibaretire okushanga obuhereza omubyobwegyese byayenda kugaruka enyuma. Bwenje yagira ngu abashomesa babiri baherize kufa kandi okuchondoza nukuoreka ngu bakaitwa Amaarwa.
Instead of using this enhanced salary to maybe develop themselves, some of them increased the rate of drinking, and now they ended up becoming useless. We have so far recovered those 2 teachers.
Ariyo mwezi wa chairman w'akakiiko akarukwebembera amatendekero gona ahansi y'entebe kanisa ya Unity Topista Birungi Mayanja yagira ngu ahansi y'entebe kanisa ensya abashomesa baza kuhebwa emirimo babanza bashomesebwa emirimo eyokukoresa kurungi esente zabo okugira ngu kibayambe okutashisha sente ezibarukutunga.
Information which you have had, we are transforming the entire teaching profession. And we have put various institutions to carry out different roles. You've had, besides Unity as a training and a development institution, we have also established the National Teachers Council. It has also started. This one is going to be in charge of the professionalism, the teaching, the conduct, and so on.
Topista yagira ngu n'amazima abashomesa batwire nibaruga aha mirimo y'obushomesa konka yagira ngu obwahati baherize kuboreka ngu ahansi y'entebe kansensia abashomesa bona nibaza okukunda emirimo yabo. Topista yagira ngu abashomesa baherezibwe emishara eyongirweho kandi batendekwa ekirukumara okugira ngu bagume nibakunda emirimo yabo.
As you have learned, we are taking off. As we take off, we have developed a transformation strategy, transforming from the old NETCs to Unity. That transformation strategy is guiding us in terms of the people, in terms of the processes we follow, in terms of the policies and the practices.
Otwire arukorera akakiiko k'itendekero erya National Teachers College Kabale Professor Tumwine hamwe na Vice Chancellor wa Unity mu ihanga lyona Betty Akuru Ezati bona abajumirire okushanga abeji hamwe n'abashomesa bahugire omukoresa karimagezi artificial intelligence AI bagumize ngo abeji nibeshanga abateine ekibarukwetegereza.
It is God-given brain. And I tell my students, I believe in RI, real intelligence. We shall use AI as a tool, but not so for us.
Technology is a tool, and there are certain things technology cannot do. If, for example, you're in class and you're teaching your students, discussing with them, technology may not help that. Technology may not give you very specific examples of certain things. You need to bring the human touch in it.
Mukuru w'itendekero lya Kabale Kapansi Aneti Komunda yagira ngu orukiiko rw'abakuru bayikiriza nangu nibazakoresa amani kurebeka ngu haboneka esente z'okuhunduza oburaro bw'abeegi hamwe n'abashomesa.
Charles Bestas Roof twina amasiko nibaza okututerereza oburaro bw'abaana n'oburaro bw'abashomesa kandi ekindi ekitwineho nk'ekizibu tukyali ba staff bakyali bakye twina amasiko ngu okutaya kwa Unity Council ekyo nakyo baraza kutukolera ba staff beyongere.
Gasha kwa Jime Emmanuel ahabwa Tayari West.